right, just getting back from Las Vegas. We just had our annual sales rally, Synergy One style, and I'm always coming back super refreshed, full of great ideas, and really just fired up to serve my clients at the highest level possible. What I love about it is just the camaraderie between peers of different markets and their willingness to share tips and tricks of how they've built a successful business over many, many years and given their clients the best client experience that they possibly can. I also love hearing about all the technology that we're rolling out. Synergy One is really at the forefront and always pushing the needle. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be telling you exactly what that technology is and how it can help you. Aside from that, it's just nice to get with other people in this industry, especially in the same company, have a few laughs, decompress a little bit, enjoy one another, talk about the future. We've had a tough couple of years of a run here, and we are looking for better times in the future. I can't wait to let you guys know what this stuff is. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting a lot more, creating my social brand. That's one of my biggest takeaways from this. Peace.